Hi, my name is Sebastian from ENDERS, and today we're talking about our ENDERS Urban 2, a mobile gas grill that you can use very flexibly according to your needs. First, let's take a look at the external features of our grill. We have side tables here that we can remove or attach individually as needed. To transport or store the grill safely, we have a practical latch that's guaranteed to keep the lid closed. That way, nothing can fall out for sure. At the same time, there's a thermometer on the lid of our grill to always monitor the cooking temperature perfectly. Thanks to its compact design, the grill fits perfectly on smaller balconies or terraces, and of course in the trunk to take it camping or to the park. Of course, our grill also features a practical grease drip tray so that the fat doesn't drip onto the table. This can be easily removed and then simply emptied out. We've also put a lot of thought into the interior of our grill. So now you have two very sturdy cast iron grates that you can use not only with the grill side, but if you take the grates out and simply flip them over, you can also use our cast iron grates perfectly as a small pan or griddle. But that's not all, because it's also possible to remove the grates and then use our burners down here as a proper support for pots or pans. This is how our grill would be prepared for the stovetop function. You can also remove the metal clips, and when you're grilling, you don't need to leave the metal clips inside the grill. Briefly about the burners. These are infinitely adjustable and can be ignited very easily using a piezo ignition. Thanks to the practical center burner, it's enough if one burner is on. The second one is ignited almost automatically. Due to the ideal adaptability of our grill, it's your perfect companion when it comes to cooking, baking, or grilling. Due to the design of our cast iron grates, it's not only possible to use each grate as a griddle, but the closed side also ensures that no grease drips into the burner. To show you everything our Urban 2 can do, I thought we'd make some really delicious burgers today with a matching cheese sauce. Because the motto of our grill is grilling, cooking, baking. And that's why we're taking this pot now, placing it right here over the burner, and can now prepare the burgers on one side and cook a delicious sauce on the other. We've already prepared our cheese sauce in a pot, and now it's time to grill the burgers as well. That's why I let the grill preheat for a bit, and now we're starting right away with our burger patties. Our grill grate is also generously large enough that you can easily sear a few additional onions, for example, at the same time as your main dish. But now, time to flip our burgers. All the ingredients for our burgers are ready now, and we can assemble them. I hope this delicious burger gave you some ideas for what you can prepare with our ENDERS Urban 2. If you're really as excited to barbecue grill as I am, head to your local Aldi on May 7th. And check out our Urban 2. I'm going to enjoy this now.